In this video, we'll see about the step-by-step guide to buy an ONU for BSNL FTTH connection. We'll discuss the topic under two categories. One is compatibility, and the other is price. Let's begin with compatibility. Price factors will be discussed in the next video.
BSNL FTTH connections are given through cable operators. They have a device called OLT, which abbreviates as Optical Line Terminal. When you plan to buy an FTTH ONU by yourself, you have to make sure that the ONU you buy will be compatible with the OLT of the local cable operator. There are only two types of OLT. They are GPON and EPON. If your LCO has a GPON OLT, you have to purchase a GPON ONU and vice versa. GPO stands for Gigabit Ethernet Passive Optical Network. GPO uses ATM for voice, Ethernet for data, and proprietary encapsulation for voice. It offers faster Gbps than EPON on downstream and upstream bandwidths. EPON stands for Ethernet Passive Optical Network. EPON uses Ethernet packets instead of ATM, asynchronous transfer mode, cells. EPON also uses Internet Protocol, IP, to carry data, voice, and video data. It generally delivers 1G symmetrical bandwidth, which makes it a popular choice. A point here to note is that BSNL LCO use only GPO OLTs because BSNL FTTH connection comes along with voice feature and GPON is needed for that, and also, almost every ONU in the market is compatible for both EPON and GPON. For example, the Sharp AS341, which supports both. But you have to be careful here so that you don't buy the wrong ONU.